Okay, here it is. Really crispy chicken. Now the way you crispy it up is you put it on that level 1. This is 45 minutes of level 1. It dries it out. You've heard of the air dryer fryer thing? Well, this is the microwave version and it's better. You know, it's yummy. Yes. Okay, this is evidence of my chefiness. I'm a microwave chef. Alright. Oh wait. Anyway, there's olive oil on top of this. I put it in there. I twisted and covered up, and anyway, the chicken's all covered in olive oil. And now you take the seasoning. Alright. Now this is chicken seasoning. This is
head south.
Lemon pepper. And I'll head south. Now, this is Redmond real salt. I guess you can't see the thing real good. But it's Redmond real salt. See, this is real salt. Not this Himalayan pink stuff. You put the salt on first. Yeah. That's what happens when you're a chef. Then you put this on. Yes, this is the chicken seasoning. It's really good. Dash, lemon pepper. Anyway, the seasoning's really good. Now we have the lemon pepper. Doesn't really need it, but you know, it's nice. Adds to it. Now I could roll in the stuff in all the flavoring. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hold on, I gotta bend down here. Get the other side. Now that one's kind of frozen.
Head south.
Yeah, I'm gonna head south here soon. In about 15 minutes. Okay. Now let's put the seasoning on this side. Alright. Yes. I'm going to do this one first. Then this one. Really yummy. I'm a really good amateur photographer video guy. You can tell I don't have it on a stand. Okay. Now the microwave. Okay.
Head south.
Oh, I'm still gonna head south. Guess it's waiting for me. Now I want it really crispy, so I'm gonna do 50 minutes. Power level 5. And then, have you ever heard of dry fries? Or a dry cooker? Well, to do that you do this. Time cook. You do 60 minutes if you want. Then power level 1. And it basically dries off your stuff. Alright. Now, alright, let's put this in. Okay. Alright. Microwave chef. See? Push start. It's making it yummy. I'm a chef.